Hey, what's up, Gala coin holder? Gala coin holder, this is live trading view of Gala coin, my friend. As you can see here, every candle, my friend, is very important for all holder because, my friend, people are starting very highly, my friend, investing in Gala for short time. So therefore this is very important for all of you, my friends, because I also predicate, I also do a technical analysis from latest trading view, my friends. A lot of holder are just and only, my friend, predicate for last 7 days, last 1 month, but I predicate, my friends, for upcoming 1 month, my friends. Definitely this chart which I see, my friends, you can see here on the screen, has very clearly told you, my friends, to upcoming time can this is possible to the price will pumps up or not. So everything with details I am going to explain you, but kindly, first of all, before I get start this video, my friend, I have one request for all of you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, as you can see here, just in only here now, so just in only, my friends, these both candles clearly show you the very highest pump. After a short dump, every coin will pumps up, and this is the, my friends, completely every coin will moving in this circulation. So this is a formula of this more circulation, this moving circulation. Every coin will move like that, but definitely, my friend, and Gala is one of the trending coin this time in the crypto market, trending on Twitter, and especially UK and US. These both countries, my friends, promoting this coin, and absolutely, my friend, this coin will viral now. My friend, this trading view is clearly told you, my friends, to after a short jump every coin will pump, and after a pump every coin will dump. My friends, as you can see here, after a red candle, you can see here absolutely the great candle is coming soon. My brother, as just in only, if we can see here, just in only, my friend, I will show you something very special now. My friend, this time you can see here, just in only, check out here now, just in only, check out here now. My friends, the Gala price, you can see here, the Gala price 0.09827 USD dollar to, you can see here, minus 0.01183. So minus 10.74% they are lost. That's clear, as you can see here, minus 10.74%. It's a very big difference, my friend, in these both prices. Definitely, my friends, you can see here, that's clear, because after this huge pump they will dumps down. And I think, my friends, you can see here the candle is going to be red now, so that's mean to the holder are starting selling and the coin will falls down. So please, holder, first of all, I have one request from all of you to don't starting selling in those days. Absolutely, you will earn a lot of money, my friends, from Gala coin, but if you are stop selling, kindly, holder, and those days every coin will dumps down. So I also share my experience, my opinion from all of you to please hold it, don't starting selling, otherwise we will completely go in the garbage. So therefore today, my friend, I will tell you for that now. My brothers, after a short phase, every coin will pumps, but absolutely not like that. What are you doing, my friend? Please tell me in upcoming days, can this is possible, my friends? They will give me a profit or not, my brother? Absolutely, my friend, this is impossible because, my brother, especially 1 or 2 days, my friend, this coin will more fails down, and after that, my friends, they will clearly tell me to go, go, go. But my friends, you can see here this time, oh my goodness, the candle is going to be starting now, green candle. So I am so happy. You can see here the price will increasing 0.0, you can see here 97 USD dollar. It's in very fastly, my friends, moving upward, but definitely if a holder are starting investing, otherwise, my friends, we cannot understand. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.